Hello, thanks for joining me. This week I thought I'd remaster an old video that I made back in 2020, about 2 years ago. For some reason I was watching it and it's absolutely terrible. It's shocking. It has it's pretty bad actually. It's got there's music in the background, and at one stage the cook and the kids come in and they're making a hell of a noise in the background. For some reason I left it in the video. Don't know why I did that. It was quite interesting, so I thought I'd remaster it as they usually do in the music industry. I was listening to a remastered Cold Chisel album the other day. He still sounds very good, old Jimmy Barnes. But anyway, thought I'd change it around a little bit. And back then I had the old record powered lathe. It was a good lathe, but I've now upgraded to the stubby lathe, which is a very solid lathe. I might just pause it at the moment because young Isaac's going to start playing the drums. So I'll get back to you in a minute. Right, I'm back. He's finished with the drums. If it's not the drums, it's the piano, or it's the harmonica, or it's the lawnmower. There always seems to be something making a noise when you're trying to do recordings, but anyway, we'll get through it. He plays well, so I can't complain. So anyway, this video is about a vase that I did back in 2020. It's from a swamp gum wood. I got it from Tony and Amy up at Cudgua. They're up in the northeast of Victoria, and they were burnt out in one of the fires, and we went up there. It's about a 4-hour trip from home. We went up there and fixed up a few of the outbuildings that Tony and Amy had. They were a lovely couple and looked after us very well. And he had a couple of woods. He had a bit of almond and he had some banksia. And I've been trying to do something with the banksia wood, but it keeps splitting. It's a very temperamental wood. I haven't been able to get anything out of the banksia, but I'll keep trying. So it's come out quite well. The end product, when I took a photo, I've used it as my thumbnail in my YouTube channel. My face is fairly ugly, so you probably wouldn't want to see that, so I changed the thumbnail to this vase, and it's come up quite well. I was quite proud of it actually. I just did a terrible video at the start. Anyway, that's about it. I'm back at work on Monday, Tuesday next week. I've been buying lots of lotto tickets, hoping that I might win first prize and I might be able to retire, but I haven't had much luck, so it's back to work next week. Back into it. It won't be long and I'll forget all about the Christmas break. Anyway, hopefully you enjoy this video. I thought I'd just throw this one in for you to have a look at. Let me know if you think that I've done a better job the second time around. Hopefully I'm improving on the videos, but I can always improve a little bit more. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Cheerio.